Welcome to our channel. If you're an affiliate marketer, content creator, or entrepreneur tired of drowning in monthly fees for a dozen different tools, this video is your lifeline. Today, we're exposing the truth about the affiliate marketing industry's biggest money trap, paying $500 plus every single month for landing page builders, video editors, email automators, and content creators. It's exhausting, expensive, and frankly, unnecessary. But what if you could replace all of those subscriptions with one powerful AI tool that does it all for less than the price of a pizza? That's exactly what Clade AI delivers, and we're breaking down every feature, result, and bonus in this honest review. Before we dive in, do us a quick favor. Smash that like button to support our mission of helping entrepreneurs save money. Share this video with anyone struggling with tool overload, and hit subscribe so you never miss our money-saving tech breakdowns. And don't forget, the exclusive 71% discount link for Clade AI is waiting for you in the description. Now let's get started. Clade AI isn't just another tool. It's a revolutionary, all-in-one AI-powered platform designed to completely transform how you run affiliate marketing campaigns. Imagine this. Instead of juggling 5+ expensive subscriptions, Clade AI consolidates everything into a single, intuitive dashboard. It's the world's first AI suite that turns any affiliate link into a fully optimized, high-converting campaign in minutes. No technical skills, no design experience, and no monthly fees. Whether you're a total beginner overwhelmed by tech or a seasoned pro tired of tool hopping, Clade AI automates the entire process, from generating stunning graphics and videos to crafting persuasive sales copy, scheduling posts, and even publishing across YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. It's like having a full-scale marketing agency at your fingertips, but for a tiny fraction of the cost. Best of all, it includes a commercial license, so you can sell these AI-generated campaigns to clients and start profiting immediately. In short, Clade AI is the ultimate shortcut to scaling your affiliate income without the headaches, costs, or complexity of traditional tools. Clade AI delivers an unprecedented suite of tools that eliminate the need for expensive, fragmented marketing software. At its core, the platform includes full commercial rights, empowering you to create and sell high-converting campaigns to clients. No design team or costly production tools required. The dynamic campaign builder transforms any affiliate link into a polished, professional campaign in minutes, using AI to generate graphics, videos, and articles tailored to your niche. You can even clone successful past campaigns to replicate your winning formula or add your own products seamlessly. For beginners and experts alike, the AI content generation engine crafts everything from scripts to social media reels, while the template gallery offers industry-specific formats, SaaS, e-commerce, courses, to jumpstart your creativity. Customization is where Clade AI truly shines. The platform lets you upload and edit your own media, blending real footage with AI-generated visuals for a unique brand touch, while the built-in editing tools refine colors, text, and layouts without design skills. Need to tweak messaging? The customizable content editor adjusts tone and style to resonate with your target audience, boosting engagement. For accessibility, auto-generated feed articles and multi-language support expand your reach to global audiences and those with hearing impairments. Every campaign is automatically enhanced for clarity and impact, ensuring your message looks like it came from a top-tier agency. Streamlining distribution, Clade AI's one-click publishing pushes campaigns to YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok instantly, while the social media integration automates cross-platform promotion. The campaign planner and content calendar let you schedule posts strategically, and AI-powered SEO optimization injects keywords, metadata, and descriptions to rank higher in search results. Real-time insights come via the analytics dashboard, tracking engagement, conversions, and audience growth all in one place. No more guessing what works. Data-driven decisions become effortless. Beyond creation, Clade AI sets you up for long-term success with comprehensive training resources, including video tutorials and PDF guides that cover campaign optimization, monetization, and scaling strategies. The 24/7 customer support ensures you're never stuck, while regular updates keep the platform ahead of trends. From crafting viral reels to localizing content for international markets, Clade AI isn't just a tool. It's a complete ecosystem for dominating affiliate marketing without the complexity or cost of traditional solutions. Clade AI simplifies campaign creation into a seamless 3-step process that eliminates technical barriers and slashes production time. Step 1 starts with inserting your affiliate link, whether you have a JV document or not. If you have promotional materials, paste the URL, and Clade AI extracts key details to build your campaign foundation. The built-in AI generates high-converting copy, graphics, and hooks from scratch in seconds, saving you hours of brainstorming. Step 2 unlocks the platform's true power. Select from 30+ AI-optimized features like video reels, dynamic scripts, or SEO tools. Want custom branding? Upload your logo or assets, and the AI seamlessly integrates them into professional templates. No external software or design skills needed, just point-and-click customization. Finally, Step 3 transforms your selections into a polished campaign. Click Generate, and Clade AI produces a complete package: videos, graphics, articles, and social media content, formatted for instant impact. With one more click, auto-publish across YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, or schedule posts via the content calendar. From link to live campaign in under 5 minutes. Beyond its simplicity, Clade AI is a revenue-generating engine for entrepreneurs, agencies, and creators. Launch a full-service AI campaign agency and charge clients for premium content without hiring a team. Freelancers can monetize skills on platforms like Upwork by offering done-for-you campaigns, while local businesses, restaurants, gyms, law firms, leverage AI to attract customers and establish authority. Affiliate marketers supercharge earnings with AI-generated reviews and comparisons that build trust and drive conversions. The platform even turns you into a 24/7 brand authority, automating daily campaigns to grow engagement. Monetization options are endless. Sell sponsorships in your content, lease campaigns to brands, or repurpose existing blogs, videos into exclusive packages. With a free commercial license included in this limited-time offer, you keep 100% of profits, no royalties, no restrictions. Clade AI's launch bonuses alone are worth more than the entire investment, starting with 3 powerful tools to amplify your content and traffic. Bonus 1. The voice-to-article creator transforms any audio file, podcasts, interviews, notes into polished, human-written articles in minutes. No API keys or subscriptions needed. Just upload, click, and repurpose audio into blog posts, email sequences, or even full courses you can sell for thousands. Bonus 2. Courseable Traffic Blaster automates your entire Pinterest marketing strategy. Create boards, schedule pins, and drive 1,000s of free daily visitors to your campaigns, critical for organic growth. Bonus 3. SEO Software Pro gives you a competitive edge by tracking Google keyword rankings in real time, optimizing your content for search traffic, and helping you outrank competitors. Together, these tools eliminate content bottlenecks and turn passive assets into revenue streams. The next 2 bonuses unlock immediate monetization and expertise. Bonus 4. The commercial license upgrade lets you sell AI-generated campaigns to clients, influencers, and businesses while keeping 100% of profits. Launch a done-for-you service, charge per campaign, or build recurring income with subscription models, all without royalties. Bonus 5. The Red Carpet Live Training is a masterclass in scaling your AI business. Learn step-by-step how to automate campaigns, attract loyal audiences, and monetize through sponsorships, ads, and digital products. Even beginners will walk away with actionable strategies to turn Clade AI into a 6-figure business. These bonuses transform the platform from a tool into a complete profit system. Finally, Bonus 6, no monthly fees, makes this offer unbeatable. For this launch week only, Clade AI waives all recurring costs. Pay once and never worry about setup fees, subscriptions, or hidden charges. Unlike competitors charging $500 plus per month for fragmented tools, you get lifetime access to Clade AI and all its bonuses for a single, low payment. Combine this with the commercial license, and you're not just saving money, you're investing in a business that pays for itself with your first client campaign. Clade AI is currently available for an unbeatable one-time payment of just $17, no subscriptions, no hidden fees. This single investment unlocks lifetime access to the full suite: AI-powered campaign creation, graphics, videos, stories, articles, commercial rights to sell your work, auto-publishing to social platforms, SEO optimization, analytics, and 12 months of updates. Plus, you get 6 exclusive fast action bonuses today only: the voice-to-article creator, Courseable Traffic Blaster, SEO Software Pro, a commercial license upgrade, live training, and 0 monthly fees. At this price, it pays for itself with your first successful campaign. For those ready to scale instantly, the $27 bundle deal includes all premium tiers. That's 50% off the regular bundle price, with additional credits and priority access. Whether you choose the $17 starter or the $27 bundle, you're protected by a 14-day money-back guarantee. This is your chance to replace $500 plus per month in tools with a lifetime solution and start profiting immediately. And there you have it. Clade AI is the ultimate game changer for affiliate marketers and creators tired of bleeding money on overpriced tools. Don't let this opportunity slip away. The exclusive discount link is pinned in the description below. Click it now to lock in your savings before the price jumps. If you found this review helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment sharing which feature excites you most, and share this video with anyone drowning in tool subscriptions. For more reviews that save you time and money, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.